All right, this is our last question for today, and then we'll do the rest of it tomorrow. Hannah drew straight lines on her driveway with chalk. The table shows the lengths of the lines. What is the difference in meters between the length of line S and the length of line P? All right, so let's see. I don't really have any numbers except for what's in my chart, so let's underline our question and then look for important stuff. So the first thing I see is the word difference, which means I'm subtracting. And I'm only looking at line S and line P. So I'm going to go to line S and circle that number. And then I'm going to go to line P and circle that one. Everything else I get to eliminate because those don't matter. And then I'm going to subtract. So my bigger number, when I look at the whole number part, is 7. 7's bigger than 1. So 7 and 75/100 needs to go on top. And then I'm going to subtract 1 and 8/10. So here, I'm going to go ahead and fill in with a 0 just to make subtracting better. 5 minus 0 is 5. Can't do 7 minus 8, so I need to borrow. 17 take away 8 is 9. And then you bring down your decimal. 6 minus 1 is 5. And then that's your answer, 5 and 95/100.